Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about balancing equations yet again. You guys have gotten so good at this, but we're going to make it a little bit harder because I feel like you guys need a challenge. So just for a review, an add-in is a number that you add to another number. Makes sense, right? Add-in. And an equation is a math expression that states one side is equal to the other side. So we talked about equality quite a bit in our classroom, and equality just means that one person gets the same rights as someone else. So when you think about an equation, think about one side being equal to the other side. So, Miss Tinsley, we already talked about this. I know. But we're going to make it a little bit more challenging because we're going to add in some extra numbers. So what we've been doing is having equations that only have one or two numbers on both sides. But you can have as many numbers and as many add-ins or subtractins on either side as you want. So let's see if we can challenge ourselves to answer some of these questions. So if we take a look at number one, it says blank plus 51 is equal to 36 plus 42 plus 38. Now, I always want to add up or subtract the side that has no missing add-ins or no missing subtractins. So that would be this side over here. So I'm going to do 36 plus 42 plus 38. All right. Now I know I can't see you, but I'm going to trust that y'all are working with me through this. So I know 8 and 2 make 10 plus 6. Put my 10 here, my 6 ones down here. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11. All right. So this side equals 116. So what does my other side have to equal? It has to equal 116. All right, so 51 plus what is going to give me 116? So I'm going to take my 116 and I'm going to subtract 51. Or if you want to do the number line and count up, you can do that as well. Why don't we do that instead? Let's do that instead. So we'll start with 51. Oopsie daisy. And I need to add up to 116. So I'm trying to get to 116. Now I know I can add a whole 50. Oh, that's a terrible 50, but we're going to keep going, y'all. It's fine. So 51 plus 50 is 101. Now, how much do I need to add to my 101 to get to 16? I bet you're waiting on me to say the answer, aren't you? But I'm not. So go ahead and figure that part out. From 101 to 116, how much do I have to jump? All right, I'm hoping you came up with 15. So I have 50 and 15. Together, that makes 45. So that is my missing add-in. All right. Got that? Let's try one more together. So I'm going to erase all of this here that I have. And if you need to see it, you can just rewind the video. Because I'm going to erase this so we can use the space. And I'm going to use a different color. All right, so we have 41 plus 97 is equal to blank plus 46 plus 46. So what side do I need to start on? The side without the missing add-in. So that would be 97 plus 41. When I put all that together, 41 and 97. In the ones place, that gives me an 8. In the tens place, that gives me a 13, but I can't have 13 tens. It's really 100 and 3 tens. Then I drop my 100, and that gives me 138. So if this side is equal to 138, this side also has to equal, you guessed it, 138. All right, so let's see if we can figure out what our missing add-in is. So 46 and 46. Six and 6 make 12. 4 and 4 make 9. Ooh, excuse me, 8. Plus 1, it makes 9. So I'm at 92, and I got to get to what number? I hope you said 138. I'm going to use the number line again because y'all know how much I love the number line. Oops. So I'm starting at 92. And I need to get to 138. All right. I'm going to go ahead and jump 8 so that way I can make an easy number. Because if I jump 8, that puts me at 100. All right. So how much do I need to jump to get from 100 to 138? That's mental math. I know you got it. I got to jump 38. So how much did I jump in all to get from 92 to 138? 38 plus 8 makes 46. All right, so 46 is my missing add-in. All right, so you have the strategies. You have the steps. We just have extra numbers this time. So go ahead and go to the next slide on your pathway and go ahead and see if you can fill in those missing add-ins. Good luck.